our monthly Drone News Express with its greatest gatherings of the top 20 drone industry news for the month of December. December started with good news of a great joy when the Bombay Flying Club unleashed its first batch of 12 certified and trained commercial drone pilots. The Ministry of Civil Aviation showed confidence on the much-awaited draft of National UTM Policy 1.0 being uploaded on 13th November 2020 to change the face of the Indian drone industry, which is kept open for all the drone enthusiasts to provide valuable feedback by 30th December 2020. DGCA has revealed the names of the members in the Indian Drone Directorate with Sri R.P. Kashyap as the director. The following official members were appointed for the Drones Directorate: Hillol বিশ্বাস, Director Aircraft Engineer; K. Thulasiraman, Deputy Director Aircraft Engineer; Manish Gupta, Assistant Director Aircraft Engineer; Yogendra Kumar, Assistant Director Airworthiness; Ajay Pal Ogre, Operations Officer; Paveen Kumar Singh, Aeronautical Officer; Manish Gupta. Year ended with an enormous online RPAS certification training program session on 29th and 30th of December 2020 held by Quality Council of India. In this discussion, drone enthusiasts got a complete explanation on the RPAS certification procedure being followed by QCI. The entire session was interactive where everyone was welcome to ask questions and clear their doubts. Officials like Manish Pandey, Director PAT QCI, Ambar Dubey, Joint Secretary of Ministry of Civil Aviation, Hillol Biswas, Director DGCA, Dr. Anul Jason, PAT QCI, and Smith Shah of DFI were present. The Andhra Pradesh state government exchanged a MOU with the Survey of India for taking up the land resurvey of the entire agricultural and Abadi area under the Swamitva scheme. The Survey of India mentioned that they will require about 200 small category drones in 2 years' time for the resurvey. The Civil Aviation Ministry and DGCA have granted a conditional exemption to National Capital Regional Transport Corporation to use drones in carrying out GIS mapping for Delhi-Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System. Survey Board, India's first LiDAR drone for carrying out aerial survey from IoTech World Aviation, has received approval from MOCA and DGCA on 30 December 2020 after its information got provincially acceptable as per CAR Section 3 of DGCA RPAS Guidelines Manual Chapter 6, 7 and 8. The above stated provisional acceptance shall be valid till 31st June 2021. IoTech World Aviation shall get the Survey Board certified by certifying agency as per certification scheme developed by QCI within 6 months from the date of issue. With a quick grasp from the recent occurring warfares, DRDO designates Bharat Electronic Limited for development and production of much needed anti-drone systems for armed forces. To tackle the threat from the small hostile drones in both day and night conditions, the Indian Navy has proposed to procure the Smash 2000 Plus system developed by Israeli outfit Smart Shooter. To manufacture and sell drones, India's state-owned aerospace and defense company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has signed a MOU with Israel Aerospace Industries, Dynamatic Technologies, Elbit Systems and New Space Research and Technologies. According to some swooping news from the Economic Times, we got to know that India is accelerating plans to develop an air-launched swarm drone system to make ourselves capable of attacking enemy advanced air defenses like the ones deployed by China across the Ladakh border. Border security forces have seized 11 hand grenades suspected to have been dropped by a drone flying in from across Pakistan border into Punjab's Gurdaspur district on Saturday night dated 19th of December. ITI Bhubaneswar signed an MOU with 8 drones to set up a Drones Excellence Center having high-end workstations and flying simulators powered by the latest softwares and equipments to facilitate the training. This is for the third time when drones were spotted near the border region. First was in Pura Sector along LOC and the second was in Samba Sector. On 9th of December, drone movement was noticed at the international border in Ranbir Singh Pura Sector of Jammu and Kashmir, where the BSF personnel opened up firing as in counter measures. Amid reports of COVID-19 vaccination drive likely to start in the coming months, Uttarakhand's Drone Application and Research Center under Information Technology Development Agency is gearing up for possible application of drones to supply the vaccine doses in the remote areas of the state. Drones in India are getting more and more versatile and reliable day by day, and a small step towards this versatility was marked by a team of students from Punjab Engineering College by winning the virtual hackathon organized by Dassault Systems in Drone-A-Thon. On December 15, the Punjab police have arrested 2 members of a module using drones for cross-border smuggling of narcotics and weapons through an international network including Pakistan-based smugglers. 3 employees of a company named Nakshatech Private Limited were abducted for flying drones in restricted area without acquiring any permission from the Indian Air Force and violating MHA guidelines. The Department of Town and Country Planning has decided to conduct a drone survey of around 700 illegal colonies in Indian district. Officials said that the drone survey will help in fixing the geographical range of the offences and identifying the constructions carried out in these colonies. IDEX has shown that our startups can take up the challenge of cutting-edge technologies in large number of cases for defence and aerospace and deliver them. Economic Times said that the Indian startups are being encouraged by Indian Defence Ministry to bring in innovative solutions for military problems. That's all we have for this month. Hope you have liked our video. Do leave your feedback in the comment section box below, and do not forget to subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel and share our video.